Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chico Kids. Today we learn colors. Wow! And shapes. Octagon shape, trapezoid shape, triangle, rectangle shape, heart shape, star shape, crescent shape, triangle shape. Wow! Colors. Yellow color, purple color, blue color, red color, orange color, green color. Wow! Let's start. Yellow color. Start with yellow color. Octagon shape. Trapezoid shape, blue color. Rectangle shape, orange color. Heart shape, red color. Star shape, yellow color. Crescent shape, green color. Wow! Triangle shape, purple color. Wow! Wow! Guys, octagon shape, trapezoid shape, rectangle shape, heart shape, star shape, crescent shape, triangle shape. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids.